On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to delete extra pages in Microsoft Word. For that, simply you need to open the Microsoft Word on your device. Sometimes in MS Word, there might be the extra unwanted pages that are not of any use to. So, how to delete that extra pages in Microsoft Word is, firstly we need to check out how much pages are there on this Microsoft page that we are using currently. So on the bottom left corner of the screen you'll be able to see pages. So here are the 3 pages in total. So this is the first page, so it is showing that it is the page 1 of 3. So when you scroll down you'll be able to see that there are the 3 pages here on MS Word. So how we can delete this is simply the first step you can do is simply you can choose the page where you want to delete that page is, and when you choose that page you need to backspace that page until and unless that does not get deleted. So in this way, when you backspace down you'll be able to delete the unwanted pages. The unwanted other 2 pages has been deleted. So this was the first step. If you have plenty of pages then this step might not get work. So the second step when you have multiple pages that are unwanted on the MS Word is, on the tab you'll be able to see the view option. Click on view. Click on navigation pane. Here on the pages you'll be able to see the pages that has been the pages on the MS Word. So when you want to delete the unwanted page you just need to select the page that you want to delete and then you need to right click, press backspace on the keyboard. So when you press on backspace your page will be deleted that are unwanted on the MS Word. So this way the 2 steps that you can do to delete the unwanted extra pages on the MS Word. I hope this video is useful for you. If this video was useful then hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell to get out the latest videos on our channel. Thank you.